In this video, I'll show you how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams on mobile. Joining a Teams meeting on your phone is simple once you know the different ways to do it. Microsoft says you can join from the Teams mobile app through your calendar by tapping the meeting link from an invite, or in some cases by entering a meeting ID and passcode. Microsoft also notes that if you're using a phone or tablet, Teams meetings are not currently supported in mobile web browsers, so the mobile app is the best option. First, make sure the Microsoft Teams app is installed on your iPhone or Android device. Then sign into your account if needed. After that, open the app and tap the Calendar tab. Find the meeting you want to join. Then tap Join. On the pre-join screen, you can check your camera and microphone settings before entering the meeting. When you're ready, tap Join Now. Microsoft's support page describes this as the standard way to join a scheduled Teams meeting from the app. You can also join directly from the meeting invite. If someone sent you an email or message with a Teams meeting link, tap the link on your phone. In many cases, your device will open the Teams app automatically and take you to the pre-join screen. From there, type your name if prompted, choose your audio and video settings, and then tap Join Now. Microsoft says this also works for people joining as guests in supported situations. If your invite link is not working, Microsoft says Teams Free also supports joining with a meeting ID and passcode. Open the Teams app, go to Calendar, expand the Meetings menu, and tap Join with Meeting ID. Then enter the meeting ID and passcode from your invitation and continue to the Join screen. Before you enter the meeting, take a moment to check your mic and camera. You can turn either one on or off depending on how you want to join. You may also see options for background effects before entering, depending on your version of Teams. Microsoft says, these controls appear on the pre-join screen in the app. One more thing to keep in mind. If you can't join from your mobile browser, that's expected in many cases, because Microsoft specifically says Teams meetings are not currently supported in mobile web browsers. So if the link doesn't open properly in the browser, switch to the Teams mobile app instead. So the steps are simple. Install the Teams app, open your meeting from Calendar or from the invite link, check your mic and camera, and tap Join Now. That's how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams on mobile. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.